sister. Welcome to the Bible War Channel. Thank you so much for today about the Bible wars is very important to us. Okay, hello, double the talk a little bit. Tonight, to the Bible wars China, you know. Who are on a where at the pani pay it or le palu the coolish, you know. I want to read Bible for you about a little bit today. Okay, here is the Exodus chapter 5. Talk about 5:22 to 23. Talking a little bit there, and then Exodus chapter 6 in there too. Okay, I want to read for you this book Bible. ဖိနေပဲတော့လက်ဖားတကူလေးဆိုစီတပတ်ထဘခါတော့လာတတ်တမီအကြီးကလေးနော်ဖိနေပဲအဲ့တော့လက်ဖားလက်ခိမရှိကိုဘူးနေစရရဆဘခုအကူဘူးနေနော် Okay, aku toni tewada God Promises Deliverance. Okay, when it kasa you are begitu ma all le batama to play oh tira when you know but isra put it upon him uro ta ko betu ko beto de pa le aku betu pu aku tara ni kasa yo tini we tai ta klu khane no kasa you are edo we ma pu play aku tara mo lo we so sin no when ni mi tala kasa you are get to we tactic or kasikolo kene bakle kwa pay that se pole tamata ti paro we had to start and going to read and my friends my brother and sister here God promised delivery Moses returned to the Lord and said when is somosia kigiraki su ya uro siweda oh Lord oh kasa why have you brought trouble upon these people Bagdadi mala away ni teweda kasa ma pagamu I me abamanile the brow no why have you brow sit down and has so da bagdama ta kota kele pagamu I dile ero tikwa we dine tu no is this why you sent me awani bagdadi mala Tai namolo ya na ba manile when it na this is why you sent me even okay since I want two powers to speak in your name he has brought trouble upon these people and you have not rescued your people at all but then mala pain le ye he no le ye he ka tuta Yehekatuta learn me suparo o lili awe ma pagomu tira pagomu ni do ne tamapu ma pleba o lirki balo putena ma tamapu ma pleba balo okay awe ni takato we dine tu lo do pero le kwa lo tamata te pha lo khasunya ni meta di lo let's talk about this little bit here okay Then the Lord said to Moses, "Do loni kasaywa siba wera somosine lo. Pagdete malo tama atalo patamu pune meta di sikolo. Okay, letane kudaro pa krasukumo talo patamu pudile. Patale taki titpa oversuwe le patamu pudile. Payne pero kutuda tapitama titpa meta di sikolo." Okay, here let's talk about that now. You will see what I will do. Pharaohs because of my mighty hand, he will let them go. Okay, when they begin negative, payne pero sira kagani yegama pharaoh dile ne negative lo agidi kapla o do asusu do ko hotokwi o do asusu le akobulo pero tete mala tagita klulo tamata te phale tininya sikolong okay pay ni ero le kwa ta se pho away ni no takapone asilo ho ni long okay ero mota lo patamu puni mita di lo do bo lo ta khale te tu kai ni pe ero phane tu lo ta phita ma te phala because of my mighty hand, he will drive them out of his country. Penny God also said to Moses, "No penny kasa you are katuta somosi do siweda." Okay, Moses, I am the Lord. Pagiten mala yemi, pagiten ma yeda yemi. Kasa you are. Penny kwera I am the Lord. Lo pagiten mano. Away ni le pagiten yemi kasa. Pay on the pagnyok lo ni kwera pay sikoni. Tebra dile. Yeda yemi Yehovah lo. Okay ne penny. Kora Yehovah lo. Away lo pagnyok lo. Look around lo ni. Translate lo new vision and kora lo away ni. Okay. I am the Lord. I appealed to Abraham, to Isaac, and to Jacob as God Almighty, but by my name, the Lord. I want to hides my friends. Okay. Penny, yellow plato yatala, so Abraham, the so you say, so Yaku, le yemi, you are theta lo. When you are theta, okay. Goodbye. Yes, goodbye. See you later, my friend. Just reading Bible, my friend. Just reading Bible. Hi, everyone. Okay. Penny, pero que tu ta le ta pita mati de pala ta huta ga ti pala mita de sikolo. Que tu wera le muniti mi le. Okay. Awani mita le pa ta mu uge le pa ta pita ma sikolo. Okay. Penny, I do not make myself known to them. Thank you so much. My friends, you love the gods. This is me. You favorites by God. The God loves you so much. Okay. Penny, tebra lo soyaku, le yemi yua tita lo, mimi le yemi Yehovah ni, ta de nyamba o le yaba, mimi le. Pay kolawako without a vision. Okay, you love Jesus. This is a great thing. Okay, you love Jesus, follow Jesus. This is a great thing. You will get eternal life. Okay. We should think about carefully in our lifetime. Okay. I also established my covenants with them to give them the land of Canaan where they live as aliens. Okay. When a packet mother do ye paga pa classically yeta olo do olo yakilo olo yaki olo kokanaha utamui go pe utamui le pulo packet makilo utamui le utamui le pulo. When sikoni pakro patu patalo patamu pusiko. If talk about a little bit here. Moreover, I have heard the garments of the Israelites whom the Egyptians are enslaving. Okay, and I have remembrance my covenant. Awani pagdena mala away ni katura mother dini do yisiba po isla pu yemi yualo. Okay, later no kura. Do yanausi ko isla pu aku swala akabutu do ma wagdena mala Ogutu po make do yete not talk yita ololi when yete not talk yita ololi. Okay. You don't go up a cropatu pata sick all of time word. Therefore say to the Israelites, I am the Lord, and I will bring you out from under the yoke of Egyptians. Okay. Let them go up a cropatu pata. Oh, I don't know. I don't watch too much. Sometimes I just watch a little bit. Okay, sorry about that. I think maybe Miss Wallace. Maybe I know a little bit about that. Maybe I'm not sure. Okay. I'm watching used to a lot of things, and then people reading the Bible and in the church too. Okay. Thank you so much for saying. Let us go to a pain, Pacro Patu Patala, Patamo Pune, Sierra Lana Queen. Mother Dinero, Seba Israel Po, Jimmy Yualo, Doya Hatakwi, Thilo Po Akubutu, okay, Akubutu Po Ata Wita you Apala, Doya Kamatu play Thilo, Aku Atama, Doya Kapwiki Thilo, Yesu Yuto Ata, Dollar Tassino Padolo. Dolo tasinyo padolo. I will free you from being slave to them, and I will redeem you with an outstretched arms and with mighty act of judgment. I want a picture mana. Devadan Sikolo. What church do you go to? I go to the Baptist church. Okay, current Baptist church. Okay, India is Baptist church. Sorry, my friends. Okay, whatever we go, doesn't matter about the church. We can go, we can meet with friends, and then we can pray there. Doesn't matter about church, doesn't matter about friends. Okay, we are belong to God. Okay, every person. Wow, yes, the same thing. Okay. Away pata that we should think about carefully. Okay, we are the same. We are the same. Here is the Exodus chapter 6 verse 7 talk about I will take you as my own people and I will be your God. Then you will know that I am the Lord your God who brought you out from under the yoke of Egyptian. I want to forget about Israel put it particular. Thank you so much, my friends. God bless you too. Do ye ka pa tu lo pa mu lo ye go do ye ka ke tho ka sa lo tu go do tu ka ti nya lo ye me ywa tu ka sa lo a de ha tho kwi tu lo pa a ka bu phu a ta wi ta yo a pha la lo a we ni mi ta lo ka sa ywa ka ma we tai tak lo kha ne si go lo 8 talk about a little bit and I will bring you to the land I swore with uplift hand to give to Abraham to Isaac and Jacob to Jacob I will give it to you as a position I am the Lord. When it became patu patala patao mupu le patak to sipo tao mupu sikolom. When it get to wedile do you the head to su call you to ye su dear to ye hilo or so Abraham so is so yaku do ye kilo or le tu tanetalo dalo ya e yemi yuaro tala ya yemi yuaro dalo ya yemi yuaro. Moses reported this to the Israelites, but they did not listen to him because of their discouragement and curious bonded. Ita no gura pakra patu pata lo pe ni samosika to da po isla po dini do weti de pa ni te na ba so mo shi ata agalu le atuko ta go ho do le ku ta ma ho lo do ywa ka to ta so mo si do si weda. Leta no gura ro okay, we have worried so many things. This is me. We forget something. Okay, important people talking with us. Okay, remember this. When you purchase the 10 and 11 talk about them. The Lord said to Moses, go, tell Pharaoh, king of Egypt, to let the Israelites go out of the country. Okay, go out of the country. Penny, thank you so much, my friend. Doesn't matter you subscribe or not subscribe. You have something to do first, and then you will do later about for me. Or doesn't matter you don't subscribe. That's okay about that. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Okay. Here I had to finish this little bit about that here. Penny Lenora Seba Agubutupo Parola Aba Plakwi Paisla Pola Acopulo. No better seeking Katuta of Wadilo, but Moses said to the Lord, if the Israelites will not listen to me, why would Pharaoh listen to me? Since I speak with filtering lips. I want to put that. Bye, my friends. See you later. Okay. Do musika total jwa menya no siweda kwakwa po isra pu attack naba yegluba do paru kana yeglu dile do yeda yi ye play tabata kutriba. Okay, ye blue tabata kutriba little kura pakro patu pata sikolo betamuku. away sikolo patao mu pataletaki patao tagele pata pitama pusikolo. Okay, this is a finish about the today. I'm reading about Bible. I will see you next time about my friends and my brother and sister. Thank you so much for today. Okay, God bless you all. Today is the Sunday afternoon about the 3 o'clock about afternoon 3 p.m. Okay, I think about the one you stay with God and pray to God, you will get something reason about the important in your lifetime. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Yes, simply what to do, my love, to quarter, to thing ya dollar, so shipu. Do to kahiba to about to tell attack it, the part to tell target it, put sick on it. Moya suki, tiller, titamu punirki. W, see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you all. W, you are sweet. Kalenirki.